So Lucy Priya, आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. A very warm welcome to you in the studios.
Kurumjari namaste and happy World Environment Day. And मैं विश करती हूँ 350 मिलियन स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ हमारे देश इंडिया को कि क्योंकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया में 350 मिलियन है टू प्लांट 10 ट्रीज एवरी ईयर. You know, हम 3.5 billion trees उगाएंगे within 5 to 10 years. So imagine what a big change we can bring.
Absolutely, and Lucy Priya is just 12 years of age. She is a student of 7th class. Let's look at these pictures that showcases her journey. That's impressive.
That's great. I think you're an inspiration to a lot of us who are listening us today. Lucy Priya, you're just 12-year-old और कुछ भी जब हम करते हैं लाइफ में कुछ एक बड़ा चेंज लाने की कोशिश करते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ इंस्पिरेशन होती है. तो आपके पीछे क्या इंस्पिरेशन रही इस चेंज के लिए?
Well, as you know, I'm from Manipur, a beautiful northeastern state of India, just में rich biodiversity है. You know, green mountains, you know, बहुत अच्छा view मिलता है scenery. It's full of rich biodiversity, but अब वो rich biodiversity पूरा ख़त्म हो गया. Climate change जो हमें पता है ना, global warming, वो पूरा climate hotspots में बदल गया. But I grew up in Bhubaneswar, Odisha for my schooling, and मैंने 2 cyclones face किए, cyclone Titli and cyclone Fani in 2018 and 19. And then I again later moved to Delhi, where I again faced environmental issues such as the high air pollution level and the intense heat wave crisis, which is, you know, even more worse right now. So all these environmental issues that I faced in my young childhood life as a child made me into a climate activist.
So what's the solution? Whether it is cyclone Titli that came in 18 or cyclone Fani in Odisha, or even the most recent cyclone Remal that we had this year, which impacted the eastern coast, Bengal, Manipur as well. What's the solution?
Well, what I'd like to say is that it's the main reason behind this is, using of fossil fuels, I have to say, massive deforestations that we are doing. So like some of the solutions that I'm fighting for, the government of India should work on is that making our India 100% full renewable clean energy, completely, stop using fossil fuel, make a just transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy. Because today's global climate crisis, all these cyclones that we're facing is currently because of, the fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas. So we must make this just transition as soon as possible. And if we want to make this happen, from, using fossil fuels such as petrol and diesel cars to electric cars, we can't just buy it, people, citizens of India won't buy it if it's like very costly. So the thing that our government can do is to subsidize the price of the renewable energy cars and, planting trees.
So let me ask you, if you had a choice, would you buy an electric vehicle or a vehicle run on petrol or diesel?
Of course, an electric vehicle. Why would I buy a petrol diesel vehicle? But like if it's like too costly, then I have to think my decision again.
But then that is where solution gets hindered, because अगर मुझे जूट का थैला लेना है और वो 100 रुपए का आ रहा है और प्लास्टिक का फ्री में आ रहा है या 1 रुपए में आ रहा है, तो जनता प्लास्टिक का थैला लेती है, while we know that we have to say no to single use plastic.
So that's why I say to people that we shouldn't use single use plastic. I raise the awareness, because raising awareness is also really important to the people of India, of the world, क्योंकि like without awareness they won't know the main impacts it has. एक प्लास्टिक का थैला, इतना pollution, इतना हमारे climate change से इतना interrelated है, उन्हें कुछ नहीं पता होगा क्योंकि ये मामूली सा वो अपने life के लिए करते हैं. So like raising awareness is really important. And अगर you know, if we ban completely the single-use plastic, and if people, you know the main causes, then if we change our behavior, then that can be, you know, the leading solution.
So लिसी प्रिया, हमने बात करी कि क्या क्या चीज़ें बैन होनी चाहिए, you know, such big implications. But अगर आपकी बात करें तो आपके जनजीवन में आप क्या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, what are the things that you do that make you live more sustainably? सुबह से शाम तक की अगर बात करते हैं तो.
Yeah, like I said, tree plantation. I do a lot of tree plantation with my school friends and other climate activists. Like so far, I have planted over 350 million trees, 3.5 lakh trees.
तो कौन से पेड़ ज़्यादातर आप उगाते हैं?
So I mostly plant fruit trees.
Fruit trees.
Yeah, across India.
तो इस गर्मी के सीजन में मैंगो ट्री?
Yes, mango tree. You know.
तो today 5th of June we can plant a mango tree.
We should, because it's World Environment Day, but we should celebrate Environment Day every day. You know.
तो आप जो प्लांट किए हैं इतने आपने लाखों, उसकी देखरेख भी करती हैं कि वो बड़ा हो गया, ठीक से आगे बढ़ रहा है वृक्ष?
अगर हम उसका देखभाल नहीं करेंगे तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ प्लांटिंग ट्री, यू नो. अगर मैं पेड़ उगा रही हूँ मेरे दोस्तों के साथ, लोगों के साथ, यू नो, द सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया इन वेरियस स्टेट्स, यू नो, अक्रॉस आवर कंट्री भारत, देन यू नो हमें उसका देखभाल करना चाहिए विद लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट. अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो वो बस ऐसे ही सूख के मर जाएगा.
फ्रेंड्स को भी बोलते हो कि साथ में पेड़ लगाएं और मिलजुल के चीजें करें?
हम साथ में ही सारा करते हैं. दे आर सपोर्टिव ऑफ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड आई वांट टू ब्रिंग चेंज.
You must be very popular in your school.
I have no comments on that.
but I have a memory to share. वेरोनिका, हम जब स्कूल में थे, आपको इसको भी याद होगा, हम लोग पानी पीना होता था ना, नलके में ऐसे हाथ लगा के पी लेते थे, which is a luxury these days. अब तो बोतल में बंद होकर आता है पानी. हम ऐसे पानी क्यों नहीं पी सकते अब?
Well, it's you know, it's the people. अगर उन्हें वो करना है तो वो करेंगे, but अगर like they want to drink it from वो plastic bottle वो सब, तो वो पी लेंगे. But like अगर I feel like अगर उन्हें करना है तो वो कर सकते हैं, but like I feel we should do it in a more sustainable way, and that would, you know, can make a huge difference. I always say this and I'll say it right now,
and that's what I want to know from you, लिसी प्रिया, कि जो हम sustainable difference की बात कर रहे हैं, आप अपने लाइफ में वो क्या, एक पेड़ आप लगाते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक की जगह आप कुछ स्टील कटलरीज कैरी करती हैं, बॉटल्स आपकी जूट बैग्स होते हैं, तो what are those tiny things that you do in your life to make a change?
Well, first of all, I would like to say to everybody that our little things can make a huge difference. छोटे छोटे चीज़ों से, जैसे आपने बोला, like we can you know do proper disposal of the waste. Like जैसे कि हम कचरा कूड़ा देखते हैं ना streets में, ये सब लोग ऐसे ही फेंक देते हैं. You know, plastic is a really great product, but the thing is we have made this, you know, a big problem in our lives because of our behavior. So we must change our behavior to save our planet. I also do a lot of cleanliness drives with my friends, even alone, like, you know, turning huge landfills areas to my little own forest.
Okay.
You know, yes. And you know, as you said, I try not to use plastic as much as possible. I try, you know, to do it in a sustainable way.
और एक और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण प्रोजेक्ट लिसी प्रिया ने किया था, तब ये और भी बहुत छोटी थी, और वो ये था कि अगर आप कहीं कोई कचरा है, फर्स्ट सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक है, अगर वो आपको कोई लाके दे, तो बदले में आप उन्हें राइस या क्या पेड़ पौधे देती थी?
So like वो उसे हम बोलते हैं प्लास्टिक मनी शॉप. So it's the world's first plastic money shop जो मैं प्रोजेक्ट I came up with, कि उसमें लोगों ना जो अपना प्लास्टिक है, instead of throwing it anywhere, वो मुझे दे दे मेरे शॉप में. तो like उसमें उसके बदले I'll give them free 2 kg of rice or a stationery item or a plant sapling. लोगों को तो बहुत फायदा होगा, and मुझे भी फायदा होगा in solving, you know, in tackling the global plastic pollution crisis.
Right.
So फिर मैं उस प्लास्टिक के साथ क्या करती हूँ, मैं बस ऐसे ही नहीं ले लेती हूँ ना. I again recycle those single use plastic waste that the people give me and then turn them into school के desk, benches, house roof sheets and road tiles. फिर I again sell them, then the money I get, I again buy the resources such as the stationery items, rice.
Right.
So the main, you know, idea, the mission of this project is to eliminate every single use plastic from our planet. ये सारा प्लास्टिक जो जाता है ना हमारे लैंडफिल्स, ओशन, सीज एंड रिवर्स एंड लेक्स, वो उसे भी स्टॉप करता है.
बिल्कुल, कांग्रेचुलेशंस. आपसे और भी सवाल करेंगे, लेकिन फिलहाल एक और हमारे
लिसी प्रिया, कमिंग बैक टू यू एज यू जस्ट वाइंडिंग अप, आपसे भी ये जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या मैसेज है या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं जो यूथ को या सब लोगों को बोलना आप चाहोगे जो अपने इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे की जा सकती हैं?
Well, जैसे मैंने आप सबको बोला था कि our behavior matters the most, क्योंकि हमारे behavior से we decide our tomorrow's future. So it changes everything, right? So we must change our behavior to save our planet. And you know, my generation is already the victims of today's climate crisis, and I don't want mera future generations to face the same consequences again. It might be even more worse than what we're
So
facing.
therefore, climate change literacy in schools most
Right.
important. Is it part of the curriculum already? Climate change.
Well, some states in India, such as Rajasthan and Gujarat government, have included climate education as a mandatory subject in our school education curriculum. And you know, one of my main demands is climate education, because
Right.
you know, we can't fight climate change without having climate literacy.
Right.
So if we want to fight climate change as Indians,
Yes.
as Indian ke
Yes.
bacche,
Yes.
you know, for our mother earth,
Yes.
we should fight it from the grassroots.
Yes.
And to
Bilkul,
fight it, we need climate literacy.
Yes.
So and the Rajasthan and Gujarat government, as I've mentioned before, they have included it after my request. I
Bilkul,
sent them
bilkul.
letters.
Keep
जी,
making
जी.
such
Yes.
eco-friendly requests, and I hope that every stakeholder, including the
Right.
government, listens to such requests, and we have a more friendly environment,
जी हाँ.
eco-friendly
Right.
environment. Thank you
बिल्कुल.
very much, Ms.
धन्यवाद.
Supriya. Congratulations on the brilliant journey of 12 years.
I hope we can fight together to reach our goal, which is, you know, to save our planet and our future. So we do
Certainly,
it
certainly.
together.
Thank you.
That.
We
Happy
hope so.
World Environment Day again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Same to you.